Namaste everyone. Welcome to the class again. Now today we are going to start a new chapter called Indices. Now Indices you have already learned in your previous class. So I am not taking concept. Wherever concept is required, I will discuss that along with the problem. Now here you can see your first question. You have to find the value of 81 divided by 16 power minus 3 by 4. Okay, so let us take this question here. We have to find the value of 81 divided by 16 power minus 3 by 4. So this 81 divided by 16. Now 81, if you factorize, okay, you can factorize at somewhere in rough, or if you know that this 81 is square of 9, 3 into square of 9, that is 9 into 9, and 9 is square of 3. So this 81 you can write 3 power 4, and this 16 you can write 2 power 4, and the whole power we have minus 3 by 4. So this will become 3 by 2, the whole power 4, and the whole power minus 3 by 4, and finally we get 3 by 2, the whole power 4 into minus 3 by 4. This 4 and 4 will cancel, and we get this is equals to 3 divided by 2 power minus 3. Now 3 divided by 2 power minus 3, as the power is negative, we will reciprocate this 3 divided by 2. It will become 2 divided by 3, and its power it will become 3. Now 2 power 3 upon 3 power 3, we can say that this is 2 power 3 upon 3 power 3. We can keep our solution here, or we can simplify. Now 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, divided by 3 power 3 is 3 3 the 9, 3 the 27. So 8 upon 27 is your answer. Now indices, say if it is a power 9, or let us take a power 3 for simplicity, a power 3. In this, a is called base, and this 3 is called index or power, and a power 3 is nothing but a into a into a. So a multiplied by 3 times. So in short, we can write this as a power 3, and this form of writing is called exponential form. Okay. Now there are few properties that if it is a power say x, and then we have the whole power y, so this means it is a power x into y, right? Here a power x, the whole power y will become a power x into y. Similarly, if we have a power minus x, then this becomes 1 upon a power x. I will reciprocate this part. Reciprocal of a is 1 upon a, so it will become 1 upon a power x. So here we have used this concept, okay, and this concept. Also, let us discuss fraction power. So if we have 4 power 1 by 2, this is the fraction power. Means when we say that a power 2, that means a is multiplied by 2 times. Now when it is like 4 power 1 by 2, that means it is half power, and this can be written as, here we will write 2 and here we will write 4. Now By default this 2 is not written and it is understood that it is 2. So we can write root 4. So square root of 4 can be written as 4 power 1 by 2. How to find the value of this 4 power 1 by 2? So for that we have to find a number in such a way that when it is multiplied by itself it will give me answer as 4. So I know that that is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. So therefore square root of 4 is 2. Or else what we can do, this 4 power half is there. So this 4 we can write as 2 power 2. So this 4 can be written as 2 power 2 and then its power half. So this is 2 power 2 into half and then this 2 will cancel and my result will be 2. So 4 power half is 2. Right? So this is 81 divided by 16 power minus 3 by 4. What we have done? We first write this 81 and 16 in terms of square of some number like 3 power 4, 2 power 4, and then we use the property of a power x the whole power y as a power x into y, and then simplified it, and then as the power is negative so we reciprocate this 3 by 2 as 2 by 3 and its power 3. So this is your answer. As we solve more and more problem, the idea of this indices and how to solve will be more clear to you all. Okay. Next problem is 161 divided by 64 the whole power minus 2 by 3. Now this 161 upon 64 means 64 ones are 64 plus 61 whole divided by 64 whole power minus 2 by 3. Now 64 plus 61, 4 plus 1 5, 6 plus 6 12, so it is 125 divided by 64 and whole power minus 2 divided by 3. Now here this 125, you can factorize this 125, this 125 is 5 power 3 and this 64 it is 2 power 6, or we can say that this is 4 power 3, better we write 4 power 3 and then we have whole power minus 2 by 3. Now you wonder how I am getting this 125 as 5 power 3. So for that you can factorize this 125. So 125 as the unit digit is 5, it come under the table of 5. So 5 to the 10, 5 5 is 25, then again 5 5 is 25, then 5 in the 5. So 5 into 5 into 5 I can write 5 power 3. Similarly 64 you can factorize. Now it is taught to us that we should always begin with prime factors. So this 64 can be divided by 2, and once you start dividing by 2 you will find that this 64 is 2 power 6. Now 2 power 6, as numerator I am getting 5 power 3, denominator 2 power 6. So what I will do, this 2 power 6 I will write as 2 power 2 into 3, and then this 2 power 2 is 4, so this is 4 power 3. So therefore I have written this as 4 power 3. Now this is 5 divided by 4 the whole power 3 into minus 2 by 3. So this is this 3 and this 3 will cancel, and I have 5 divided by 4 power minus 2. So as the power is negative I will get 4 upon 5 power 2. Four 4 is 16 upon 5 5 is 25. So this is 16 upon 25. So this is your result. Now let us solve this second question. The second question is 2 into a power minus 3 into b power 2 the whole power 3. So this is equals to, this is 2 power 3, I will open the bracket, into a power, this is minus 3 and this is 3. So this is minus 3 into 3 into b power 2 into 3. So finally I will get 8 a power minus 9 into b power 6. Now this is 8 b power 6, and this a power minus 9 I will write in denominator as a power 9. So 8 b power 6 upon a power 9 is final answer. Now the second question. We have a power minus 1. So this a power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon a plus b power minus 1, it can be written as 1 upon b, whole divided by, this can be written as 1 upon ab. This is equals to, now here it is b plus a whole divided by ab whole divided by 1 upon ab. So this you can write is equals to b plus a upon ab into, now this denominator 1 upon ab, we will multiply by its reciprocal, that is ab upon 1. So this ab and ab will cancel, and finally we have b plus a. So I will write b plus a or a plus b. So this is second question. Now let us solve this third question. So before that, first I will remove all these solutions. Okay. Now third question is, first x power minus 1 into y power minus 1 upon x power minus 1 plus y power minus 1. Now you can solve this problem, right? Try yourself and see what answer you are getting. This x power minus 1, I will say this is 1 upon x into 1 upon y whole divided by, this is 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. So here I have 1 upon xy whole divided by, here it is y plus x upon xy. So I will say that this is equal to 1 upon xy whole divided by, or better you can write it like 1 upon xy divided by y plus x upon xy. So this is 1 upon xy into, this division will become multiplication, into xy upon y plus x. So this xy and this xy will cancel, and finally I have 1 upon y plus x. So this is first part of third question. Let us see this second part. Second part we have 4 into 10 power 7 into 6 into 10 power minus 5 whole divided by 8 into 10 power 10. Okay, so this I will write as 4 into 6 into 10 power 7 into 10 power minus 5. I will write 10 power 7 and 10 power minus 5 together so that I can use the property of indices. Now what property of indices I am going to use here? When the base is same and powers are different, then we add the power. So it is 4 into 6. Now this 4 into 6 I can cancel. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 6. So, and this 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So this is 3 into 10 power, this is 7 and this is minus 5. As they are in multiplication, so power are added. So 7 plus minus 5 is 7 minus 5. Divided by, here I have 10 power 10. So this is 3 into 10 power 7 minus 5 is 2 divided by 10 power 10. Now this 10 base is same, the power 2 in numerator is smaller than power 10 in denominator, so we can write this as 3 upon 10 power 10 minus 2. So when base are same and they are in multiplication, we add the power, and when the base are different and base are same and they are in division but powers are different, then we use subtraction. So if power in denominator is more, then we subtract numerator power from the denominator power, and if numerator power is more, then we subtract denominator power from the numerator power. So this will give me 3 divided by 10 power 10 minus 2 is 8. So 3 divided by 10 power 8 is answer. This is for 11th question. Third ka second question. Now let us see the fourth question. First part of fourth question. 3a upon b power minus 1 plus 2b upon a power minus 1. So what we will do? This is 3a upon b power minus 1 means 1 upon b plus 2b upon, this is 1 upon a. This is equals to 3a divided by 1 upon b plus 2b divided by 1 upon a. So this is 3a into b upon 1. So when denominator is 1, we do not write it, and 2b into 1 upon a, so we multiply by a. So this is 3ab and this is 2ba, means 2ab I can write. 3ab plus 2ab is 5ab. So 3a upon b power minus 1 plus 2b upon a power minus 1 is 5ab. This is first problem. Now second problem. 5 power 0 into 4 power minus 1 plus 8 power 1 upon 3. Now 5 power 0 is 1. Any number power 0 is always 1. So this is 1 into 4 power minus 1. So I will write 1 upon 4 power 1. Now again the power 1 is not written. So it is 1 into 1 upon 4 plus 8 power 1 upon 3. So the power is in fraction. So better this 8 I will write as 2 power 3. So it is 2 power 3 the whole power 1 upon 3. So this becomes 1 upon 4 plus this is 2 power 3 into 1 upon 3. Now 3 cancel and I have 1 upon 4 plus 2. So 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. This is 9 upon 4. So second power problem we get answer as 9 upon 4. Fifth problem. Let us copy both the problems down and solve one by one. So first problem I will solve on this side and second on this side. 8 divided by 125. Now again, as the power is in fraction, this 8 I will write as 2 power 3. This 125 I will write as 5 power 3. And its whole power, it is minus 1 upon 3. So this become 2 upon 5, the whole power 3 into minus 1 upon 3. This 3 and this 3 will cancel. And here I have 2 divided by 5 power minus 1. So I can write this as 5 upon 2. 5 divided by 2. So 2 upon 5 power minus 1 is 5 upon 2. Here, this second question, 0.027. So this 0.027 you can write as 27 divided by 1000. Power minus 1 by 3. Now again here the power is in fraction. So this 27 you will write 3 power 3. This 1000 you will write 10 power 3. The whole power minus 1 upon 3. Now how I am writing this 27 as 3 power 3 is, we know that 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So better you should know the cubes of till 10, like 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube and 10 cube. What are their values? If you remember, then it is easy for you to identify that this 27 is 3 power 3 and this 1000 as 10 power 3. One more, you can also identify that this 27 is cube of some number by seeing the overall fraction index. It is 1 upon 3. So that means this inner side may be cube of some number. Okay. As it is not practical to give you problem, okay, which are very difficult to put in index form. So this is 3 upon 10 power 3 into it is 1 upon 3. Now this 3 and 3 will cancel and we have 3 upon 10 as the answer. So 0.027 power minus 1 upon 3 is 3 upon 10. This is our fifth question. Now let us see the sixth one. Question number 6. I will write here. Again, sorry, this is fifth question. We have to copy sixth question. Sixth question, two parts. So, minus 1 upon 27. So, this minus 1 upon 27 is minus 1 upon 3. Okay. I can say that this is minus 1 upon 3 the whole cube. So this is minus 1 upon 27 and its power is minus 2 upon 3. So as powers are multiplying, it is minus 1 upon 3 the whole power 3 into minus 2 upon 3. So this 3 will cancel and I have minus 1 upon 3 power minus 2. So this will become minus 3 power plus 2. Okay, I reciprocate it and the power will become plus. Minus 3 square is 9. So this is my final answer. Here 64 power minus 2 by 3. Now 64, this is 4 cube. Again here it is 2 upon 3. So in fraction we have 1 upon 3. So I written this 64 as 4 power 3. The whole power minus 2 upon 3. Plus this 9. I will write 3 power 2. The whole power minus 3 upon 2. So this is 4 power 3 into minus 2 divided by 3. This 3 and 3 will cancel. Plus this 3 power 2 into minus 3 divided by 2. So this 2 and 2 will cancel. And here I have 4 power minus 2 plus 3 power minus 3. Now this 4 power minus 2. This 4 can be written as 4 power minus 2 can be written as 1 upon 4 power plus 2. And here it is written as 1 upon 3 power plus 3. You can keep your answer here or you can simplify it further. It is 1 upon 4 4 the 16 plus this is 1 upon 3 3 the 9 3 the 27. You can cross multiply also, but I think this much is okay. But if you want to get one answer, so it is 27 plus 16 whole divided by 16 into 27. 27 plus 16, 7 plus 6, 13, 2 plus 2, 4, 43 divided by 16 into 27. So let us just check what is 27 into 16. So 6 7s are 42, 4, 6 to the 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 1 7 is 7, 1 2 is 2. So this is 2, this is 13 and this is 4, 432. So 43 divided by 432 is your answer. This is our sixth question. Seventh question. Let us erase all these questions from here and solve the seventh question here itself. Okay, seventh question is 27 power 2n divided by 3 into 8 power minus n divided by 6 whole divided by 18 power minus n divided by 2. So first question, we will write 27 power 2n divided by 3 into 8 power minus n divided by 6 whole divided by 18 power minus n divided by 2. Okay, so here 27 can be written as 3 power 3. So this is 3 power 3 into 2n divided by 3 into this 8 we can write as 2 power 3 the whole power minus n upon 6. This 18 can be written as 2 into 9 and that 9 is 3 square the whole power minus n divided by 2. Now this is 3 power 3 into 2n divided by 3 into 2 power 3 into minus n divided by 6 whole divided by 2 power minus n divided by 2 into 3 power minus n. So this is equals to, now this 3 and 3 will cancel, so this is 3 power 2n into this 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, so this is 2 power minus n divided by 2 whole divided by, this is 2 power minus n divided by 2 into 3 power minus n. Now this 2 power minus n divided by 2 and 2 power minus n divided by 2 we can cancel, and as base is same, base is 3 3, so I will write 3. Here numerator power is greater than denominator power, so I will say that 2n minus n, so this minus n will become plus n. So this is 3 power 3n. 3 power 3n is the answer. And let us see this second question also. I will write the second question. 5 into 25 power n plus 1. Now this 25 can be written as 5 square the whole power n plus 1 minus this 25 is 5 power 2 into 5 power 2n divide by 5 into 5 power 2n plus 3 minus this 25 I will write as 5 square into n plus 1. So this will become 5 into 5 power. Now this 2 will multiply by n plus 1, so it is 2n plus 2 minus 5 power, this is 2n plus 2 upon, here it is 5 power 2n plus 4. Now this is 5 means 5 power 1, so as base is same, power are going to be add, and this is 5 power, this 2 is going to be multiplied by n plus 1, so this is 2n plus 2. Now this 5 power 2n plus 2 is common everywhere. Okay, so that 5 power 2n plus 2 we can take common from numerator. So in numerator here I have 5 minus here I have 1 whole divided by 5 power 2n plus 2 I will take common. So 5 power 2n plus 4, so here only 5 power 2 is remaining. Now from 2n plus 4 I am taking 2n plus 2 common, so what is remaining? Only power 2 is remaining. Okay, minus here 1 is remaining. Now this part is cancelled and here we have 4 divided by 5 is 25, 25 minus 1 24, 4 6 are 24, so finally we will get 1 upon 6. Now let me discuss this part, 2 5 power 2n plus 4. Now this 5 power 2n plus 4 can be written as 5 power 2n plus 2 plus 2, and this can be written as 5 power 2n plus 2 into 5 power 2. Okay, so therefore when we take 5 power 2n plus 2 common, only 5 power 2 is remaining in this part. Okay, so therefore I have calculated or I have solved it directly, but if you want you can expand like this and then take 5 power 2n plus 2 common, and finally you will get 1 upon 6 as your answer. So I hope you understand all the problems. I have not discussed properties of indices in detail, as in your previous class you have already done it, and as where and when it is required I am discussing it. So if you want me to discuss properties first, let me know in the comment. Thank you.